In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export time entries from Clio Manage. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull the time you need for reporting, billing, or sharing with your team, all in just a few clicks. First, start in the left sidebar of Clio Manage and open Activities. This is the central place where your firm's work records live, so it's the right starting point whenever you're dealing with time, expenses, or activity reports. Once you're in Activities, go to the Time Entries tab. This view shows your recorded time entries, including the date, the matter, the client, the user who entered the time, and any descriptions you've added. Take a moment to make sure you're seeing the entries you expect. This will make your export accurate from the start. Before exporting, refine what you want to include using the filters. You can narrow by date range, limit it to a specific matter or client, or focus on entries created by a particular user. This step is key. The export will only include the entries that match your filters. If you need everything, clear or widen the filters. If you only want a billing period, set the date range accordingly. It's a good idea to confirm the list updates on screen, so you know the filters are working as intended. When your list looks right, click the Export button on the Time Entries page. This opens the export options. In the Export Activities window, choose the format that best fits your purpose. Pick PDF if you want a clean, shareable document that preserves the on-screen layout. Great for quick reviews or emailing a snapshot to a colleague. Choose CSV if you plan to analyze, sort, or manipulate the data in a spreadsheet tool like Excel or Google Sheets. CSV is ideal for custom reports, data pivots, or importing into accounting systems that accept spreadsheets. After selecting your format, click Export. Clio Manage will generate the file based on your choices. For larger datasets, give it a moment to process. Your browser will download the file to your default download location, and you can open it right away to verify everything looks correct. If something seems off, simply return to the Time Entries tab, adjust the filters, and export again. Remember, the accuracy of your export depends on the filters you set. Keeping a consistent date range and confirming the correct matter, client, or user each time helps maintain clean, reusable reports. That's it. Thanks for watching.